In this question, two statements are given, and in the context of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1. The cerebral hemispheres are connected by a nerve tract known as corpus callosum. Now, this is correct. In the human brain, a deep cleft divides the cerebrum longitudinally into two halves, that is, the left and the right cerebral hemisphere. And these two cerebral hemispheres are connected by a tract of nerve fibers, which is known as corpus callosum. Statement 2. The brainstem consists of the medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebrum. This is incorrect because the brainstem consists of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, but not cerebrum. Thus, statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. Hence, the correct option is option A.